3 ways to pronounce CH in English language. CH is most commonly pronounced as t, like check, chance, catch, much, beach, etc. CEH can be pronounced as k. For example, headache, stomach, backache, character, Christmas, mechanic, school, technology, tech. Chemist, choir, cholesterol, Christian, orchestra, psychiatrist, psychologist. Chronic, architect, charismatic, echo, zucchini, psychic, mocha. CEH also can be pronounced as sh.
For example, brochure, champagne, chef, parachute, machine, chauffeur, mustache, chateau, cliché, niche, cash, cachet.